Hello traders, the title of the video is 5 factors why do day traders fail. Alright, so when we are talking about the failure of day traders, alright, do not get very disappointed or discouraged. Alright, there are different levels of failure in day trading. Alright, so you may not have a profitable trading account that will be a failure, all right? Or you may not be able to achieve consistent winning trade that may be a failure, or probably you have been wasting so much money. That's a failure. An improvement can also be somebody that have been losing, for instance, $500 per week. If that person start losing $100 per week instead of $500, that's a significant improvement. Though one may say that that person is a failure, that person has improved, okay, dramatically. But there is another type of failure that traders are facing, is that they do not have enough trading fund. There are a lot of traders out there that can day trade very well. They do not have a profitable trading account just because they don't have enough fund for the trading account. So with the money that they got, they can't survive with the competition out there. All right, you need enough fund. So what are the 5 factors why do day traders fail? All right, so there are many factors. We can talk about 100 factors, but I want to talk about the 5 major factors that can cause a day trader to fail. All right, so I explain to you different type of failure. A failure may not be 100% failure. It may just be a minor failure in comparison to another trader. So that's why people say, what is the percentage of day traders that are successful? Generally, people will say 1%. For me, I say between 30% and 10%, depending on how we classify those failures. The first factor that can cause a day trader to fail is that day trader do not have a viable day trading method or system. So you may say, all of you sell CSCW24, that's why you are talking about trading system or trading method. Understand, all right? If you are a fisherman, all right, you need a boat, you need a technology, to attract the fish and to catch them. So if you do not have any tool to day trade with, that's a very bad start. You need the tool. You are a soldier, you need the arsenal of a soldier. Or you are a footballer, you need a kit to wear the proper kit before you go onto the field. The same rule applies to day traders. You need a viable trading strategy. What is happening is that a lot of day traders are coming in every day, and today they may use one strategy, tomorrow they will use a different strategy, or they will change the setting of their MACD, or they will change the setting of the RSI, or the setting of stochastic. They are all over the place because they do not have a viable day trading strategy. I said this 100 times before. When I start trading first, a professional trader said to me, George, know your trade setup and trade them. And I'm looking at what is he talking about? It's about a viable trading strategy. If you ask all the professional day traders or the successful day traders, they come in every day, they are applying the method that they have tested, that they know how to trade, that they have mastered, and they are using it day in, day out. You need to have a viable day trading method or system. So the first factor is the lack of a viable day trading method. You may say, George, I don't agree. That's fine. Let's move on to the next factor that can cause a day trader to fail. The second factor is the lack of knowledge, skills, and experience. All right. So you will take, for instance, 10 day traders using the same trading system, the same trading strategy, trading the same financial instrument at the same time, the same day, and you will have different results. One may have a winning rate of 25%, another may have a winning rate of 40%, another may have a winning rate of 80%. What's going on? It's down to the knowledge, the skills, and experience. So you may say to me, Joe, how do I have the knowledge? How do I have the skill? How do I have the experience? You just start learning. That's it. We have been in amazing, period of the world. In the 90s, we didn't have enough, even, what we call the online trading. The trading platform were few. So trading on your smartphone was something very new recently, all right? So today, you can learn to day trade even on YouTube, all right? So go to www.stochastic-money.com, check our web pages about day trading, and just pick one to learn something about day trading. Check web pages about day trader. What is a day trader? All right? Or what is a professional day trader? Listen to one or two professional day traders. All right? Go to www.stochastic-money.com, click on professional. Listen to professional day trader talking to you. All right? So you want to learn, so you have the knowledge. All right. So usually people watch video, people read article, and they have the knowledge. They understand what is said. All right, because they understand English or they speak French, they can understand French or Spanish. They understand everything that is said. They say, Joe, you didn't tell me anything new. You have the knowledge. You must have the knowledge. All right. So for instance, somebody that is using a stochastic, all right, what is the overbought stochastic? What's the real meaning of overbought stochastic? What's the real meaning of overshort RSI? What is CCI divergence? What's the best technical indicator for divergence? So this is about the knowledge. Very, very important. Very, very important. Now the skills, it will come through the experience. So don't ask anybody to trade for you. Even if you watch, for instance, our video at 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel, where we are talking about Elliott Wave forecast, the forecast that we are giving, traders must use that forecast to compare it to their own wave count. But at the end of the day, that trader should have the skill to make a decision and say, well, this is what I'm going to do. This is my decision. All right. So the skill will come through experience. I say to traders, all right. So one example I talk about plus 500, just Google it, plus 500. They have a lot of, educational material. You check Investopedia, a lot of educational material. All right. You want to have a free demo account. A lot of brokers are providing a free demo account. Free demo account, even with a live chart, all right, or simulation. I talk about simulation. If you don't understand simulation, Google definition of simulation. Before the pilot will take the plane and fly it in real time, they use simulation. Drivers are using simulation. So you want to use simulation, trading simulative account, all right? TC2000 also have a simulation account. Check, all right? Free demo account with a live chart. Look for simulation trading software. Play with them. So while you are doing, you are training, you are building a skill. So, but the reason why I start with the trading method, so you find a trading method, you like it, you want to polish, you want to master it, and then you use a demo account to practice to gain the skill. And then, all right, until you master it, now you start day trading with real money, okay? When you do that, you're going to gain a lot of experience, a lot of losing trade, all right? You may have amazing days, which means you sit from the morning, from the market opening to the closing of the market, no losing trade. Have you ever done that? You take every trade, winning trade. And then the next day probably is all. Have you ever had a losing day? So every trade is almost losing. All right. So those kind of things that you are going to will give you the experience. Now, I say to trader, it's completely stupid to discount, the experience of somebody, the experience count. So I don't want to dwell on it. So the second factor is lack of knowledge, skills, and experience. All right, you get the message. The third factor that can cause a day trader to fail is that, that day trader is trading the wrong financial instrument. Now, sometimes all you need to tell a day trader is that don't trade that useless financial instrument anymore. Find something else. Is it ETF for you? Okay. Will you be better trading indices? All right. Or will you be better trading currency? Or you have been trading currency has not been working. Okay. Have you traded stocks? All right. So trading the wrong financial instrument. So as you are trading that financial instrument, you will find out that all right, some of them are friendlier than others. All right. So do not trade the wrong financial instrument. The fourth factor that can cause a day trader to fail is what? We talk about it. There are a lot of educational video at the 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. So what I'm doing, I'm answering important questions on that channel. So there are videos, you can go and watch them, all the questions, all about question and answer. So question, this is what I'm doing now. Okay, 5 factors, why do day traders fail? There are videos like that talking about different topics. So check them out, okay? So we talk about this one, the 4 factors, okay? The 4th factor that can cause a day trader to fail is to trade the wrong time. So check the video about what is the best time of the day one should buy stock. And you'll see me speaking in my beautiful accent. All right? And you can learn from it. The best time for day trading, first 2 hours, when a market is open. But there are more to that. So I'm referring you to that video. What is the best time of the day to buy stock? Check it out. So the 4th factor that can cause a day trader to fail is to trade the wrong time. So you coming in, you are a day trader, or you come back from work, okay, at 4 p.m. and or at 2 p.m. and then you say the market should open, or before you go to work, all right, you say, all right, I want to. Is it the best time for day trading? So you will find out for yourself what is working and what is not working. So the 4th factor, trading at the wrong time of the day. Sometimes you may see the best day trading setup, and then you check the clock. So that's why day traders all the time see here. So you click on it, all right? You click on it, you are watching the time, all right? So New York is open at 2:30 p.m. London time, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I say, all right, there's this trade, that opportunity that appears. You say, all right, I'll wait for the first 30 minutes to close. So you're waiting for 10 a.m. Eastern time. Sometimes you may miss some excellent trade. So what? So what? All right, there will be another trade. There will be another opportunity. Maybe not the same day, maybe another day. The time of the day is so critical. The market, the professional reacted according to the time. All right? Is it the best time, the best season? Is it the best environment? Is it too volatile? The first week or the first 8 days of the month, quite volatile. What's the point of day trading? All right? When the market is all over the place. Don't be courageous. Don't be courageous. All right? So you want to trade at a safer trade, all right, that you can control. If it's too messy and you say, all right, George, I'm a hard cookie, I can handle that. Don't open many trades. So we can go on and talk other factors. That over trading is another factor, but I don't want to go into that because there are more factors that can cause a day trader to fail. So they are trading at the wrong time of the day and they open many trades, or they leave the trade open too long, or they are not watching the market. They don't know what's going on, but the market is becoming volatile. They are not there. All right. The last factor, talking about the 5 factors, why do day traders fail? The 5th factor is what? I said it 100 times, you should guess it now. A day trader not using a top-down trading method. So anytime I talk about that, traders say, George, you're just hiding yourself behind that top-down trading method all the time. There are 3 signals, all right, before one can buy. Okay, 3 signals. So the first one is what we call the trading setup. This is the invitation to buy or to sell. That's the first signal. So there is a bullish trading setup at a key level or at a support level, inviting me to buy. I recognize it, understand it, I know how to trade it. That's the first signal. The second signal will happen on the signal time frame. There is a signal now on the signal time frame. That's the second signal. The secondary signal, the primary signal is the setup. Now, you do not, let me say this clearly, you do not have to take the signal. Did you get that? You do not have to take the signal. Because why? You are not an automated trading machine. You are not an algorithm. It's not because the signal is there that you have to take it. You do not. This is the problem that some day traders can correct. So they say, this is the signal, and I took it. Is it the best time of the day to take that signal? All right. Is the market environment suitable to take that signal? All right. Okay. So a signal can be in place, but looking at other factors that we cannot discuss in this tutorial, one can decide to walk away from it. You are using a TSC WSY008. You see the swing trading signal on the signal top frame. All right. Now look around. Sometimes it's just simple. One example will be a bullish signal near a resistance level. It's below a resistance level. What do you need to do? You will wait for the price to break a border resistance and to give you another invitation to buy, because it's too close to a resistance level, or you are selling into a support level. So there is a support here, and there is a signal here to buy. Yeah, there is a support. So there are people placing order at the support level to buy, and you are buying into those support level. And as those orders are activated, they kick you out of the trade. You do not have to take the signal. The third signal is the entry. So we use 3 different time frames. Now, generally speaking, when we are talking about top-down trading method or multiple time frame trading method or different time frame trading method, we are talking about minimum 2 time frame. Minimum 2 time frame. It does not have to be 3, but if you want to be specific, all right, we will say 3 different time frame. Some traders may use sometimes you can use even more than 3 time frame, which means, for instance, all right, let me give you one example. So you see the trading setup on the monthly chart. Your signal is what? On the daily chart. Your entry is on the hourly time frame. You say, I don't want to enter the trade on the hourly time frame because of the characteristic or the financial issue that I'm trading. You drop down from the hourly time frame to the 10-minute time frame. Now you are not using anymore 3 time frame. You are using 4 time frame. And you say, all right, you see, you can go from the quarterly chart all the way used to quarterly chart. You say, all right, 3-day chart for the signal or weekly chart, and then you drop down to the 2-hour time frame for the entry or 4-hour time frame for the entry. You say, no, I don't want to enter on the 4-hour time frame, and then you drop down to the 50-minute time frame, and then break it down even to the 5-minute or 3-minute time frame. So now you are not using 3 time frame, but specifically it's 3 time frame. But there are many other factors. So this is what we are talking about. Not using different time frame. So what is happening, my friend? A lot of day traders will go to the 5-minute time frame, 10-minute time frame. The most popular time frame is 15-minute time frame. Stochastic overbought. People sell, hoping that it will come down. All right? Or some people say, oh, George, is not 15-minute time frame. George, you say your favorite time frame is 3-minute time frame. Or 3-minute time frame is working there. So they are trading on one time frame, using one single time frame. So what they are doing, they are violating one of the 6 biggest trading mistakes. Go to www.dayprotrader.com, click on the 6 biggest trading mistakes. There's a webpage about a biggest trading mistake at dayprotraders.com. All right, so you don't want to repeat those mistakes. All right, so those are the 5, in my view, 5 factors that can cause a day trader to fail. So now that you know those factors, you want to take them one by one. Am I making one of those mistakes? All right, now let's rectify that. Okay. Am I taking the trade at the wrong time? Or do I have a viable day trading method? Am I changing my day trading system every day? Am I buying too many day trading systems? Am I looking for the most complicated day trading system? Am I looking for the most expensive day trading system? Am I all over the place? Am I using a triple stochastic? Am I changing from this one to that one? Find one. Why? Because if you use a trading system, even moving over 20 going above 50, it's a trading system. But how do you trade it? That's the question. When the 20 goes above the 50, one should not buy straight away. One should wait for a pullback and the common center is broken. That's how you buy when you're using the 20 and the 50. The same rule applies if you want to sell 20 below, okay, the 50. You do not want to just buy anywhere, anyhow. So this is it. So you are now, okay, polishing your day trading. Another thing that I say to traders that is, okay, you have a losing trade, and then people get emotional. It's normal to get emotional. I was emotional. I remember I said this story before when I spent almost the whole day in a bath because I play so many trades, trading indices. I can see that I'm going to lose 700 pounds very fast with my small account. I was sweating like a donkey. I couldn't handle it anymore. All right? So the emotion will come, but then sometime that particular day, I survived. I came out. Everything worked well. This is just pure luck. All right, you see now? But what we are saying, you have a losing trade, you must review your trade. Professional traders tell you about, having a trading journal. I take this trade, it was successful. Also successful trade. Why this one works so beautifully? That's the question. I remember one time I was tired of selling all over the place and losing like a mad dog. So I decided, I said, okay, somebody talked about key level. So I decided, okay, now I'm going to sell at a resistance level. So I look for that key level, that resistance level, and I see a sell signal, and I took it there. I was not courageous to look at the trading holding. I came back, all right? At the end of the close of the market, I look back, there was profitable. I said, yes, the key level. So you want to review every trade, losing and winning one. Why this one was so good? Why this one was a losing trade? And that's how you're going to improve. Now, 22 minutes has passed already. We're going to wrap it up now. So this will conclude our discussion today about the 5 factors. Why do day traders fail? Do you know another factor? I told you there are hundreds of factors. I want to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section, all right? If you want to learn more about day trading, go to www.dayprotrade.com. There are many web pages. All you need to do is to place the cursor on the word more at the home page. If you go to the home page and you place the cursor on the word more, you see all the pages. If you go to another page that is very short, you may not see all the pages when you place the cursor on more. And then you just go one by one, check our videos, all right? There are videos about live day trading. See somebody live day trading, all right? Videos, all right? It's not that you have to do exactly like the person. You're just learning, yes or no, okay? So those are the 5 factors. First factors, okay, traders do not have viable day trading method or system. Second factors, they lack the knowledge, skills, and experience. Third factors, they are trading the wrong financial instrument. Fourth factor, they are trading the wrong time of the day. And the last factor, the 5th factor, is that they do not use a different time frame trading method. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. However, if you think, George, for the first time in your life, you have spoken with your Texas accent and like this video, feel free, it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on the social website, okay? Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about 5 factors why do day traders fail. Subscribe to our channel. Our channel is 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. I can assure you more amazing tutorials are coming on this channel, 24 Stock Trader. Invite your friend to subscribe to this channel. Our aim is to reach in this year 1,000 subscribers. We are on a mission, all right? Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching, and I mean it. Thank you for watching.